Hey everyone, welcome to Homeschool. Hope everybody are doing good. Today I am here to give an update about the course that I have recently launched in Homeschool application. See, I have launched a course called Science 95 Plus for class 10 students. Okay, and this is an exclusive course for the students who are going to write SSLC examination. I mean Karnataka Board class 10. Okay, so here the course includes the detailed revision of all the chapters that come in NCERT textbook. Okay, so many are asking me, is the course not suitable for CBSE or other state boards? You know, as long as you follow NCERT textbook, the course is suitable, but the course is a 1 month course. So I will start this course right from 6th Feb and it will end by 5th March. Okay, but CBSE board examinations will start 15th Feb and you have your science examination on 4th March. Actually, by the end of February, chapter wise revision will be over. Okay, so if there is no problem, if you want clear cut chapter wise revision in one shot in the easiest way with lots of tricks and tips, you can take this course. Even CBSE students also can take this course. And coming to other states like Andhra board, Tamil Nadu board, as long as you follow NCERT syllabus, you know, the course can be applicable to you. But I majorly focus the question paper pattern of Karnataka board here. Okay, so by the end of Feb, all the chapter wise revisions will be over. That may help for other boards also. Okay, but after 28th of Feb, the 5 days, whatever time slot is there, that I am keeping for the way questions are asked for Karnataka board. Okay, so maybe that part may not help for the other boards. Okay, but if you want concept clarity on chapter wise revision, if you want, and if you want to have some tricks and tips for really difficult concepts, then you can take up the course, not an issue. Okay, but I'm telling you, the course is 100% meant for the students who are writing Karnataka class 10 examination, which is held from March 30th onwards. Okay. So now many have many doubts on the course, like what I'm going to do in a course. Okay, so this is almost like a 1 month course and every day you have live classes here. Okay, so live classes are there in the evening at 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay, almost around 1.5 hour live class every day you have. A live class is from Homeschool application only. Okay, so in this live classes, I will revise the entire chapter in a best possible easiest way. Okay, so with lots of tricks also to remember the concepts in a better way. Okay, so in the light chapter, you have lots of doubt in sign convention, right? For which mirror, what sign have to be taken for object distance, image distance, you know, all of them, you can remember it easily with my tricks. Clear? So with those difficult concepts or tricky concepts, my approach will be very much different, so that you can feel the concept very easy. Okay, so these are the things. I'll do it in a live class, complete revision of a chapter, and not only that, I will solve activities. So activity solving. See, for Karnataka board, 20% of the question paper will be application based, right? So usually, as far as chemistry part concerned or physics part concerned, they frame that application question or indirect question from activities itself. Okay, so most of the time they are activity based. So it's very important to solve each and every activity that comes in a chemistry chapter, physics chapters and biology chapters as well. Okay, so here in the live classes, I'll be solving activities from the chapters also. Okay, so if it is a small chapter, I will take 1 day, or if it is a bigger chapter, I will take around 2 to 3 days. So within that 2 to 3 days time, I'll complete the revision and I'll also solve the activities which come in a textbook, NCERT textbook. Okay, so these are the major thing. So in our live classes, one thing is activity solving, the other point you have to concentrate is complete revision you will get. So in a shortcut form, you can write and keep in the notes. Okay, so it will be helpful for you before going to a final examination. Okay, at a glance, you know, if you look at the flow charts or whatever the mind maps I'll give you, everything, you know, you can revise very easily. So that sort of flow charts I'm going to give in the live classes. And apart from that, I will give you my handwritten notes. Okay, on all the 16 chapters you will get the handwritten notes. Okay, so complete handwritten notes, and along with that important questions you will get. Important, most expected important questions you will get. And not only that, you will also get the model papers and previous year question papers. Okay, so from the past 5 or 6 years, whatever the question papers were there, I mean the board papers, all of them you can get in the course. Okay, and whatever tricky questions are there in the question papers, all of them I will also solve at the end. Okay, so this is what the updates about a course. Okay, so do remember, this is the timing of the live classes. So in live class I'll be dealing with complete revision of the chapter, activity solving, and the contents that I am providing you is important questions I'll provide, complete handwritten notes on all the chapters, and the previous year question papers and model question papers I'll provide, and at the end I'll be solving some application questions from previous year papers and model papers also. So guys, if you want to improve your score in the board examination, you know, this is the best course for you. If you want to look for a complete revision in the easiest possible way, then also this is the best course for you. See, and one more important point is, if you have zero knowledge in science, then this is not a course for you. Okay, so if you are a average child or above average and you want to improve the score up to 95 or above 95, or you want to score 100 on 100, then definitely I can say this is the best course you will ever have. Okay, see, previous year, I mean in the last year also, I came up with target 95 plus course. Lots of students have benefited from the course, and I tell you, I have a proven results. Many of them have got above 95, not just 95. 95 is very little, you know. Most of the students have got 100 on 100. Okay, 98 is common, 98, 99, 100 many have got. Okay, so hurry up guys, the offer is limited to only first 100 members. Okay, so don't think that the course is too expensive. Actually, once you complete the course, you feel that it is worth taking this course. Okay, worth spending money on this course. You will only feel that. Okay, so that guarantee I can give you all. So guys, if you are interested, you can buy this course, and this is available only in homeschool application. Okay, so to buy the course, first you have to download homeschool app. The link is provided in the description. After you download the homeschool application, you will have a courses option. You should go to courses option, and there you will find this course, and you have to click on the buy option. Okay, so whatever the details it will ask, you have to fill and buy the course. Okay, so that is all about the course, and do remember the timing is 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. every day, and here and there some buffer days will be given. Okay, and the course is starting from 6th Feb to 5th March. You can register from now. Okay, so if you can register early, you will have that offer, otherwise offer will get over. Okay, offer is limited, it is for only few students, first few students. Okay, can have this offer, so hurry up in registering the course if you want. Okay, so that is all about the update I wanted to bring you. And many are asking, ma'am, do the live classes in YouTube? Yes, I will do live classes in YouTube also, but that much detailed explanation we cannot do in YouTube. Okay, for CBSE point of view, many are saying that if the course is not helpful for CBSE, then do something for CBSE students. Definitely one shot revision videos I will update in YouTube within a week or 10 days, especially on most important tricky chapters like electricity, light and all. Okay, so thank you so much. Keep learning.